Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing well and you are the most beautiful person in this world. In this video we will learn how we can learn the different software, different digital softwares that are used in video editing, video animations very easily. You have not to give any fees to the other persons and the academies and any other persons. Just you use the Google website like a pro. Then now we will learn how it can be used. You just open the Google website and write on it video editing site colon drive dot google dot com. Okay, when you will search this bar, then different points will appear after searching the video editing site drive.google.com. Then you can see different softwares are present where you can easily download it and you can easily learn how to use it. You can see this just like Filmora 8 and Adobe Premiere Pro, best video editing software for real estate. So different just like different softwares are present here, video editing Premiere Pro and different you can see there KineMaster Pro. Okay, just click on it and you will watch that a new bar will be open. So after clicking on the search bar, this drive link will be appeared on the side and you can see here different icons and different softwares are present here which can you use easily. And so first of all you will download it from there by clicking on 3 points. Then new bar will be open. You can download it from here and easily learn this site. Now all the problems are solved. You can easily download any website, any video animated video editing software, and you can easily learn how to use it. This video will be very helpful for you. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment on it. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.